Hello everybody, I would like to welcome you guys back to another video. My last video on my free PBX home PBX home phone system came out around 5 to 6 months ago. I've made a few changes to the system now, and I think it's time to film another tour video. In fact, I think my last video probably was my record-breaking video in terms of views and such. So I can tell that you guys really like these videos. So here we go. We're gonna dive right in. So this is going to be I'm probably gonna say version 3.7 or something. These aren't very substantial changes. However, maybe for version 4, I might upgrade to FreePBX version 17. So yeah. But anyhow, we'll just call this 3.7. So firstly, we're going to do a physical tour of all the phones, all right? And then I'm going to do a tour of a new phone that was installed. You guys might know this from the YouTube shorts I've posted. Third, I'm going to discuss something new that I've implemented. It's a bell system into the phone system. I'll get into that later. And then, yeah, that's probably it. Three major things. So let's get started. So we're going to first take a look at our extensions list, actually, so I can show you guys. Actually, no, that's probably going to spoil it. So we'll just do a physical tour first. So in my office, let me see. I have a Yealink T31P E2 IP phone. Let me move this thing out the way. All right. So this is registered at extension number 310. All right. And I've also printed this little directory with names and extension numbers right there with some useful feature codes. So for the majority of the Yealink phones, I have the line key. I have an intercom key. We have history, directories not really in use, do not disturb, and then menu settings. Now I'm going to demonstrate the difference between normal calling and then intercom calling. So typically intercom calling is basically calling within a branch exchange. Like normal calling would be outbound calling, such as to like a cell phone number, and then intercom would be internal calling, such as to another coworker's extension. The term is used pretty interchangeably a lot. So I just pick the word intercom, which is also another word for call an extension and make it auto answer. So we're going to do a demo of that. So let's say I want to do a call to the master bedroom. So we're going to do 311. Normal call. So yeah, that's the master bedroom. And we'll get to that phone in a sec. But that was normal calling. For intercom call, simply press intercom, 311, pick up. You hear the tone. Testing. So that is basically intercom calling is basically you call an extension on the system and then it makes the auto answer. So you can just begin talking like hands-free mode. All right, so enough with this room. We're going to head over to the master bedroom again. So in the master bedroom, I have a Yealink T21P E2 IP phone. The phone I showed in my room, that was powered over PoE, but this phone is powered via AC power. I can get PoE running to that phone jack right there, but right now it's just powered by this DC jack. And yeah, and this is also not your regular phone line. This is a Ethernet cable. So for those who are unfamiliar with VoIP, these are not analog phones. They may seem like an act like analog phones, like you have your dial tone and stuff, but these are IP phones. And basically what that means is it uses the internet to communicate. Now for my system, it communicates on the local internet, but you get the idea. So if we go into the menu, you'll see Oh, that's actually missed calls. Yep, you see MAC address. IPv4. So that is the internal IP address of the phone right now. So it's an IP address. And basically, I wanted to like set up like internal communication system for my house, and I like analog phones. You would need to get like analog PBX, and it's gonna be all big, and then you have to get hardwired phone lines. This house does not have hardwired phone lines. We have hardwired Ethernet jacks. And with VoIP, there's just a bunch more features, such as, again, intercom calling. You can have paging, auto attendant, advanced voicemail, conferencing, hold, transfer, a bunch of things. So, yeah. Anyhow, that's just a quick explanation of VoIP and how it's used in my system. But yeah, again, this is Yealink T21P E2 IP phone. We have our line key, our intercom key, history, directory, do not disturb menu, our directory here. Pretty nice phone. I bought these phones in bulk. I got 4 of these. It's because basically previously I only had 3 phones, but once I got these 4 phones, I was able to have like a proper phone in every single room, which is nice. If you remember from the first version of this tour when I was using 3CX over FreePBX, I'm running FreePBX 16 by the way. I was using like some soft phones for some rooms. Anyhow, we're in the office now. It's not gonna say office because this phone is assigned to someone else. But we have your line key, intercom key, also a Yealink T21P E2 IP phone. This is one of the nicer phones that's in a good condition, unlike the other Yealink phones, because I got these phones used. They were cheaper that way, and as far as I know, I think these phones are also discontinued now. They don't sell them, but that's fine. We also have another director here. I'm actually going to demonstrate the feature codes. So, let's see. So paging, all call, downstairs, upstairs. So we're going to demonstrate that right now. So basically what paging is you make an announcement to all the phones. All the phones will automatically answer, and then whatever you say will be broadcasted on all the phones. It's also simplex audio, so it's only one-way communication. You can set it up to be duplex audio, but for me, it doesn't make sense to do that. So let's say we want to make an announcement to the entire house. So all call 676. This is all call paging. This is a test. Okay, so that's all call. Downstairs paging, it's going to be 677. This is a test of downstairs paging. This is test. And then we're going to do upstairs paging. This is a test of the upstairs paging. This is only a test. I also have, I don't think I covered this. I don't think I have covered this in my last tours, but I do have like you can broadcast, I have predefined, messages on these phones, like for, I think one is fire, I believe. Let's see. So 678, it's like a fire announcement to evacuate the building. So if we do 678, testing the fire announcement, please disregard. So we're going to conference that in. So press conference 99. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let's see if you can hear it through the handset. It's going to start. Yeah, so that was taken from Edward's signaling. All clear. So yeah, if you guys want to find the audio file for that, just let me know in the comments. But anyhow, that's paging and it's special announcements. Feature codes, answer, voicemail, wake up call. Yeah, you guys don't need to know that. But yeah, this is the phone in the office. So let's head over to the guest room. Actually, no, before we get to the guest room, we're going to head to laundry because we now have The Polycom phone is back, guys. Polycom phone is back. Call a guest room. You're gonna hear everything over there. But yeah, this Polycom phone is back. Glad to bring it back. This phone is on auto answer at all times. So the reason why I have it on auto answer is because if I don't have it on auto answer for all calls, like when a page comes into the phone, like it doesn't automatically answer. In fact, it will automatically hang up on the page after a few seconds. So I have to have it on auto answer. But it's in the laundry area. Now, the reason why I have this phone in the laundry area is because it's in the hallway as well. So this is kind of acting as a paging speaker for the hallway, if you will. Now, I'm not going to get in depth to that phone, but here we have another Yealink T21P E2IP phone. Yep, so it's our phone. This one's powered by PoE. Actually, no, not PoE. It's powered by DC power. But yeah, let's say we call laundry actually. So 316. Hello, hello. Check, check, check. Test, test, test. Works. Let's see. Do I have the key for this? Oh wait, no. But behind this, there's a lot of dust. Behind this cabinet is basically the networking switch, which networks all the phones and connects it to the server and router. And in fact, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of the server right now. This is a Dell PowerEdge R720 Enterprise Rack Mount 2U server. I don't have a rack for it, so it's literally just sitting on the carpet. But yeah, I have an in-depth video on this on my channel, so if you want, you can go watch that. But I'm not going to get too detailed here. Basically, it's running a virtual machine, which has FreePBX version 60 on it, and that's where the communications brain is living for this phone system. All right. So we're gonna move down now to the downstairs desk. So let's go there. Okay. So down here, I have a Cisco 7821 3PCC. I've gotten comments about how I registered this phone with FreePBX. It's quite simple. This is a variant of the Cisco 7821. It's the 3PCC version, which stands for Third Party Call Control. And basically, Cisco likes to lock down their phone so it doesn't play nice with other brands. But with the 3PCC version, it uses SIP over SCCP communications, or the protocol. So I can use it with FreePBX. If you guys have no idea what I just talked about there, please watch some videos regarding Cisco 3PCC phones, as it will probably help you, because I'm not gonna discuss how to register this phone. If you do have any questions about this, though, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll respond to you. All right. So yeah, Cisco 7821 works very well. We can do a call to the kitchen. Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you. All right, so that's a call to the kitchen. And now we're going to head over to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen phone. It's wall mounted. Oh yeah, I should probably put a spare screw or something. But this is actually, I used a base plate and I screwed the base plate into the LAN, the Ethernet jack plate cover. So yeah, works well. We can do a call to the desk. Yep, you heard that ring. So yeah, and then you'll notice that we have a cable running right out into the garage. I'll get to that soon. If you guys haven't already caught on to the directory, all right, we're gonna do a quick page for downstairs paging. This is a demo of the downstairs paging. Thank you. So that's paging downstairs. Let's see here. So I cover that phone, that phone, that phone, that phone, that phone, that phone, that phone. Now we're gonna go into the garage. So we have this cable running out. Yeah, I know it's not. I should probably punch a hole in the wall and then run it through there. But okay. That cable comes out, runs here. I should probably get some clips to clip it against the wall or something. This cable goes to a PoE injector. I used to have a PoE injector under my bed to provide power for my Yailing phone. But basically that injector is, I have no idea where it is. Okay, it's right there. Right up there, it's high. It's hanging for dear life right there. But basically, this Ethernet cable runs into that PoE injector. That PoE injector, well, injects PoE into the Ethernet cable. And then another cable runs out to the phone. Now, PoE stands for Power over Ethernet, and basically you're asking, what's the point of PoE? Well, the point is, you don't need to power the phone with a power cord cable. You can just power with one cable for networking and power. So, yeah. Anyways, excuse those Halloween decorations. You'll see the Ethernet cable running out there. Don't know why the floodlight is on. That cable runs through the bush, runs through there, runs behind the chairs. Yeah, I should probably find a way to make it look a bit more presentable. And then it runs up to the Fanville IP door intercom thing or whatever. So yeah, this is a Fanville i10V audio and video door phone. So I have this a speed dial configured to this DSS key, and when you press it, it's gonna call a ring group under the extension 501, and basically that will ring all the phones in the house except for the laundry phone and the guest room phone. So it's gonna ring my phone, it's gonna ring the office phone, it's gonna ring the master bedroom phone, the downstairs desk phone, and the kitchen phone. And if those phones don't answer, it's going to automatically forward it to voicemail, which we will demonstrate now. So you guys may have seen this on a YouTube short, but yeah, let's do a demonstration.
Hello?
Can you hear me well?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to do another call. This time, just don't answer the phone, okay? I'm demonstrating.
Okay,
All right, bye-bye. So it works pretty well. There's also a camera here. This camera supports SIP and actually no, not SIP. Supports OnVIF and RTSP. So basically, I have a special software running on my server which gets the camera feed, and so basically it's recording right now. So this camera is being recorded 24/7 for security purposes, in case I need to export footage or whatnot from our surveillance system. This is the Ethernet cable. Granted, yeah, this is not secure. Like, I'm not gonna rely on this camera for my security needs because, well, someone could just run up and snip the cable. But whatever, it's fine. This is just a door phone anyway. So I'm gonna recall it again, and this time it's not gonna be answered, and we're gonna demonstrate the voicemail. And this is powered via PoE injection. I know it's also possible to wire my garage door to this phone, so like I can have it so if I press pound or something on my phone when someone's speaking, it can like open the garage door. It's called like DTMF relays, I believe. So yeah. So FreePBX is configured to have the phones ring for 30 seconds.
Please leave your
There we
message
go.
after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
This is a test of the voicemail from the Fanville i10V door phone. This voicemail should be delivered to extension 314, which is the kitchen. And since it said to save voicemail, either press hang up or press pound. Obviously, there's no keypad on this phone, so I'm gonna hang up. And to hang up, I just simply press the doorbell icon again. And now it's hung up. So let's go back inside because it's kind of hot down here in Florida, even in December. and lizard running around, and jeez, that door is squeaky. Let's check the kitchen phone. So as you can see, the phone is now has the message light lit up. So let's connect. Okay.
Password.
Please ignore that sound in the background. So password is 0000. It's posted on the directory.
You have one new
Let's
first
listen to this.
message.
This is a test of the voicemail from the Fanville I-10V door phone. This voicemail should be delivered to extension 314, which is the kitchen. And since it said to save
I'm gonna delete
voicemail,
that.
Message deleted. No more message.
And I want to end call. The message light is no longer illuminated. So that's nice. So that Fanville phone outside also has the is also part of a page group. So if anyone's outside, like a family member or something, and we make a paging announcement, they'll be able to hear it outside as well. It's decently loud, but I don't have it too loud because, well, I don't want the neighbors to hear the crazy stuff being said over this system. Don't ask why. Now, I'm gonna show you guys something. So if I do ls, one moment. All right, so I'm logged into my FreePBX virtual machine via SSH, and we can see I went to CD page ls, and then I have a bunch of call files here. Now these are asterisk call files. Let's say I want to edit one, so let's say bell.call, and this is gonna be a tour of my Bell system. So basically, I have a schedule set where the bell will ring at certain times of the day and on certain days as well. So we can see that the bell will be playing to page group 676 at extension paging or external paging. The application is going to be running audio playback. The data, well, it's going to be the path of the sound ID, which is custom/electronic bell. Caller ID will be bell. Max retries 1. Wait time 4 between retries. So that's the call file. Let's go to crontab.e. I think I also need to fix the schedule for laundry calling. Let's see here. 3. Let's see, that's turned for 7. One moment. All right, back. Just did some quick changes. So basically at 7 a.m. from Monday through Friday, the bell will sound. At 7:01, we'll have a automated morning announcements message. At 7:10, Monday through Friday as well, we have another bell that plays. And then on weekends, instead of the morning bell sounding at 7, it sounds at 8 and 8:01 for the morning announcements. On Sundays only, it will sound at 10 for the laundry call. So that's a special message that plays for laundry. At 11:20 on Sundays as well, it's going to play a bell. 11:24, it's going to play minute warning bell. It's a special bell. I'll get into that later. 11:25, normal bell. 12 o'clock, all days. It's also going to play a bell. That's the noon bell. At 4 o'clock, I believe, on weekdays, that should be, it's weird. Hold on. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So that's gonna be the laundry call on weekday. Actually, no. I'm sorry. I'm getting confused with myself here. Okay, what did I do? Okay, that should actually be 3 only. Because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah. Sorry, guys. But anyway, yeah, so that's going to be laundry call on Wednesdays. And so laundry call will be on Wednesday at 4. And then laundry call on Sunday will be at 10. At 5 p.m. every day, we're going to have a bell. And then at 9:55, we'll have another bell. 9:59, we'll have the minute warning bell. And then 10 p.m., we have our final bell of the day. And then 10:01, we have the nightly announcements. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. So first, we're going to do this is how you trigger the bell manually. So basically, that's it. It has a cron job. I set up a cron job to copy these call files over to the asterisk spool folder, which basically tells the server to play this call. So we're going to do that here. So I'm going to run the command cp, which means copy file. So copy bell.call from cd/page, which is what we're in, to /var spool asterisk outgoing. So here we go. So when I run this command, we should hear the bell. 3, 2, 1. So that is the bell. Bell unknown. Let's do laundry call now. So basically what this means is it's just a final call for laundry. And basically it's a reminder for me to do the laundry. But yeah, so here we go. This plays at 5 p.m. 4 p.m. on Wednesday and 10 p.m. on Sunday. So here we go.
This is the final call for laundry. Laundry should be dropped off in the upstairs hallway. Thank you.
All right, so that is laundry call. We're going to do the minute warning bell. So basically, this bell sounds before bells. Well, basically, it's a warning that the bell will be ringing in less than a minute. So this is probably like the nightly bell. At this time, everybody should be sleeping. So it's going to play. And I took this inspiration from my school that uses this because it's supposed to remind students to get into class before the bell rings, before the sharks get you, aka the administration. So here we go. Plays everywhere. Even plays outside as well. So, yep, minute warning bell from unknown extension, of course. And after which the call will automatically drop. And after that, after like that bell has sounded, like the minute warning bell, the normal bell is supposed to play like that. Now we're going to do, I'm going to skip morning announcements and morning weekend announcements because those are kind of in progress right now. But I will do the nightly announcements for you, which this does play every day at 10:01 p.m. Oops.
Good evening, and welcome to another night in paradise.
Yep, so that's...
The time is currently 10:01 p.m. At this time, everybody should be in their rooms.
And again, I'm manually triggering these announcements via the CP command. So yeah. And I think that's actually about it. So, there is, oh wow, look at that network activity. That is basically the entire tour of my phone system. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions for my phone system, please feel free to leave a comment below regarding it. If you guys want to start your own phone system, I'd say go for it and share your results with me in the comments. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you found this video pretty cool, make sure to leave me a like, please, or subscribe if you want to see further content like this. But anyhow, again, leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye-bye.